Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Goring Guitar. We have the Weeknd here back again here on this channel, and this song is called Take Me Back. So a very easy song to play here, and yeah, we have a couple chords. That's pretty much the challenge here to go over. Not that many actually, but the handling of the chords couldn't be easier. Just one downstroke per chord. So that's it, guys. So let's start this one up. No need for any cape on this one. So let's go right into it with the chords. Starting with a bar chord here, the F sharp minor. So that's a bar here on the 2nd fret over all strings. And then the rest you need to add is 4th on A and 4th on D. F sharp minor. Next is the D. So that is open D, 2nd G, 3rd B, and 2nd E. We have A. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. We have another bar chord here, that's the C sharp minor. This time we have a bar here on the 4th fret, alright? And you don't have to bar the last E here in the bass, just 5 strings from bottom up. And then the rest you need to add is 6 on D, 6 on G, and 5th on B. We move on here with the E. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. And that's pretty much the chords we need, but in the end there we have a post chords slash outro part there. So because of that we have a couple chords extra here. So we'll start with the F. Alright, so you have a bar chord there, a bar on the 1st fret over all strings, and then the rest will be 3rd on A, 3rd on D, and 2nd on G. And speaking of G, that's the next chord. We have here the 3rd E, 2nd A, open D, open G, 3rd B, and 3rd E. We also have the A minor. So that is open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 1st B, and open E. And finally we have the E minor. So that is open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, open G, open B, and open E. And like I said, the last 4 chords here, F, G, A minor, and E minor, you only use them in the end here, a couple of rounds, and that's it. Otherwise, you don't have more than, I believe, 5 chords. Yeah. All right, so let's take a look at this song and the chord progressions here. Like I said, only one downstroke per chord, guys. All right, so the verse and the pre-chorus will be played in the same way. So the chord progression here will be F sharp minor, D, A, and C sharp minor. All right, so that pretty much covers the verse and the pre-chorus. 6 rounds of it, that's what's covered the verse and pre-chorus, and you're gonna play that in both the 1st round and the 2nd round. Same chords and 6 rounds of F sharp, D, A, and C sharp. All right, then we have the chorus parts left here. We have the chord progression with D, the E, an F sharp minor, and C sharp minor. And that's it for the chorus. And for the 1st round here, the 1st chorus, you're gonna play this for 4 rounds. And the 2nd round, you're gonna play it for 6 rounds. You're gonna play in the same way, 4 rounds of 1st chorus, 6 rounds in 2nd. And after the 2nd chorus, then comes this post chorus or the outer part I talked about. All right, so the final 4 chords here, now it completely changes a little bit here. So you will have F, G, A minor, and E minor. That's the final chord progression here and the final 4 rounds. So 4 rounds of this, and that wraps it up for the Weeknd's Take Me Back. So challenge here with all the chords. If you think there are many there, around 9 I believe or so. But very, very easy to play and handle. So yeah, Take Me Back, That's for now, and play tuned.